To receive what is meant to come to you, you have to be in your home frequency.
How do you get into your home frequency?
Meditation is one thing, and grounding. That's where the importance of grounding comes in.
And grounding comes from?
So here we'll talk about two kinds of grounding. Because now people have become very energy conscious, vibe conscious. And because there are no boundaries, everyone's meeting everyone. In a day, we interact with at least 50 to 100 energies. And when I'm talking about energies, I'm not only talking about people we meet. Our phone calls, our emails, our social media, you're constantly giving and receiving energy. It's a vibration. By the end of the day, you've collected so much of energy from people. You need to release it. And that's where the meditative grounding comes. Where you visualize connecting the base of your spine, your root chakra, to the center of Mother Earth, and visualizing roots going deeper into the Mother Earth and feeling that tug and push.
I've done this meditation for years now, especially in phases of overthinking or sadness.
Yes, it works. It fixes you.
The visualization is you keep your spine straight,
Yes.
visualize light entering from your head, going down into the earth through under you,
Yes.
and then spreading out in the earth like roots.
Yes.
And I used to visualize playing with rocks, and you feel like that cooling energy.
Yeah.
I've also heard that for girls it's slightly different.
So the way I do it and I practice and teach is you first visualize either your feet. Now, since I'm sitting, I will visualize roots from my feet, or if you're sitting on the floor, from your root chakra. And first you release all the gray energy, your emotions, your negativity, other people's emotions, your fears, insecurities to the center of earth.
I think it's trying to tell me to slow down.
So when you walked in before we started, and I asked you twice, are you okay? Your energies, it seems like someone's draining you out.
Someone.
And there's a lot of irritation internally, which you've kind of not addressed, but you've brushed under the carpet. And it's like you want to say something to somebody, but you're either being too diplomatic or you just don't want to deal with it. And you're not a confrontational person, So it's somewhere which is coming up
As a cough.
as a cough.